viewers, welcome back to the beautiful suburb of Samford, and we're here for Cars and Coffee, and I'm here with David. Good morning, David.
How are you, Alo?
Really well, mate. What can you tell me about your beautiful Valiant?
I bought it about 6 years ago and started from the ground and come up, sandblasted and painted and new motor, and everything's new.
It's
except the
absolutely
car.
beautiful.
Yeah.
What model is it?
1964.
Right.
AP5 Valiant.
I was going to say, so it's in the APs then?
The AP, yeah. Australian production, yeah.
Is it a push button?
No, this is a manual. Yeah.
Right, okay.
So they're coming out with press button automatics, yeah.
Yeah, right.
That was one of the options, yeah. This is a standard, not a Regal.
Right, so is that the difference, is it?
Yeah. This is a bench seat, the other one's a twin seats.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I interviewed a lovely couple yesterday, Caroline and Alan. Do you know them with their white VC Valiant?
No, I don't think so. Where are they at?
They were at Deception Bay.
Oh yeah.
And they had a Regal, and it was a two-seater, and that's what threw me.
Yeah. I've got the I've got a Ute too. This is the Ute and the sedan. Where are we? That's at the RSCQ show at the exhibition ground.
Oh, okay, excellent.
Yeah, that's my son's got that now, and he pesters me and uses my field instead.
That is excellent.
Yeah.
And is this a car you've always loved when you were younger?
Oh yeah, I had Valiants on and off all my life. Yeah. Before I got married, I had a real nice Regal that money come into account, so we sold that.
Oh, it's good though. A lot of them are.
Yeah.
A lot of them are alive and being rebuilt nowadays, haven't they?
Yeah. It's a real thing.
Yeah.
I retired and it gave me something to do for a couple of years.
Look at it. It's like going into a time machine, sticking the camera in there, isn't it?
Yeah. They're a lot narrower, a lot smaller.
Yeah.
My son had his whole family in there yesterday. The whole 6 of them went to Brisbane.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And what are we running up the front?
Sorry?
And what have we got front up here?
Yeah, yep.
Oh, we got the big slant.
Yeah, slant 6, 225. Naturally aspirated engine.
Such a great motor, this slant 6, isn't
it's
it?
got heaps of horsepower and lots of torque for pulling and towing, and a little bit heavy on fuel at the time.
And so this is your retirement plan, hey?
Yeah,
Just
spending me super.
spend your super before the government takes it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. And do you come to many of these events?
Yeah, I come here to this one regularly. Yeah. There's another one on in 2 hours' time across the road.
Oh, really?
That's for the 100 years for the service station.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
There's no shortage of car shows in Brisbane, is
My
there?
son went to one yesterday, Bribey, all day.
Yeah, right.
He took both cars up, the family, and come home and annoy Dad all that night.
I mean, it's so awesome to see that the scene is so well and alive with cars, isn't it? And it's good to see youngsters out here going to carry the torch.
My granddaughter's never happy. They like to go,
Yeah?
They like it, yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
All these young gentlemen like this.
How are you? Yeah. You need to be giving out bibs. Everyone's drooling on your car.
Yeah.
Hey, David, thank you so much for your time.
Right,
that was excellent.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, great meeting you. Have a great day today.
Thank you.
And I love you, loving your AP. That's beautiful.
Thank you.